Hi, welcome to the Iron Tech, and now I am going to tell you very interesting services that is known as you can say website traffic already done. Now Canva Pro subscriptions, which is very important all over the world. There are a lot of clients who wants Canva Pro subscriptions for lifetime at the lower cost. So this is the best website which will give you this type of services. You will come here, place new order, category, then order services. There are two type of services. One is the ID8, one is ID9. Canva Pro subscriptions, and it will be 365 days, and there is a lifetime just in $2.5. So you have to select minimum amount one, maximum amount one. Canva Pro subscriptions early. Canva Pro subscriptions all premium feature access, 1 year subscriptions, best for graphic designing, free premium templates access. Place your email in the link where you need Canva Pro subscription for lifetime, and invitation will be sent to your mail within 24 hours to get fully access on all premium features of Canva Pro for lifetime on your email address. But here will be early and for lifetime because the same descriptions have been copy pasted. So I will highly recommend to go for this type of services. So very good website. You should come here and resell this type of services to earn money online. So I hope you have liked this video. So it's a request you should share with your family, with your friends, and keep supporting us. See you next time in another video. Take care. Goodbye.